Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you all a home remedy to cure dandruff. You can see the ingredients. I used castor oil, coconut oil, aloe vera gel and lemon. The aloe vera gel which I am using here is the plant extracted aloe vera gel. It is not the packaged aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel which comes in packaging is not made for our hair, so don't use it on your hair. So first of all, I'm going to mix lemon and aloe vera gel together. I took half of the lemon. You can increase or decrease the quantity of lemon as per your choice. Lemon and aloe vera gel is the most important ingredient of this hair pack. After lemon, I will add coconut oil and castor oil. See, I'm mixing the lemon and aloe vera gel together. If you want, you can even grind it in a mixture grinder, but I mix it with a spoon. After mixing the ingredients together, I'm going to mix 1 spoon of coconut oil and 1 spoon of castor oil. The coconut oil which I took here is the parachute coconut oil, and the castor oil which I will take is Dabur castor oil. You can take any castor oil of your choice. You can even change the oil of your choice. I use coconut oil and castor oil regularly for hair massage. That's why I'm using it here. You can add any oil of your choice, or if you want you can remove the oil as well. The oils are not the important ingredient of this pack. The most important ingredients are aloe vera gel and lemon. So we can see our pack is ready. Now I am going to apply it on my hair. Here I am detangling my hair, and now I will part my hair. See, I got a runny pack. This is a very runny consistency. We have to be very careful while applying aloe vera gel, and I will suggest to people to either tie a towel around your neck or wear a old t-shirt like I'm wearing here. So you can see I have little bit of white patches on my head. You can clearly see it on my crown area. I will apply this pack all over my head, but I will concentrate on those portion of my hair which is more affected by dandruff, that is my crown section and front section of my head. I am applying the pack with the help of my finger, and I am massaging my scalp a little bit. I used to get dandruff only during winters, but since few months I am getting this severe dandruff in all weather. So I used several things. I used many remedies, but nothing worked until I came across this remedy. Yes, I did little bit of research on internet, and then I got to know about the benefits of aloe vera, lemon and curd in curing dandruff. I'm not including curd in this hair pack because removing the smell of curd, and curd itself is very hard, and I don't want my hair to be smelly. If you want, you can add curd, you can add banana, you can change the ingredients, the other ingredients as per your choice, but the main ingredients, that is aloe vera and lemon, should be same. So you can see I'm parting my hair and I'm applying the hair pack all over my head. So I'm going to do this several times. Wherever I feel I have itchiness or I have dandruff, like the side of my head, back section of my ear, and I'm continuously combing my hair so that the pack is equally distributed in all part of my head. Aloe vera and lemon is like very essential and very helpful remedy in curing dandruff. I am the living proof. I faced severe dandruff. I used to get big white patch on my head, but nothing worked. I used several anti-dandruff shampoo, but nothing worked until I used this remedy. And trust me guys, in first wash I could see the result. With home remedies you have to be continuous. I used this pack for 3 continuous weeks. I used to apply this pack once a week on my hair, and after 3 weeks my dandruff literally disappeared. It was not at all visible. Earlier, after washing my hair, after the second day, by third day, I used to get back the dandruff. The dandruff was completely back on my head as if it never went away. But after applying this pack, I got the desired result in the first wash only. And after the third wash, that is after applying the pack for 3 continuous weeks, I could see that 95% of dandruff was completely gone. And I assure you guys that if you are continuous and patient with this hair pack, your dandruff will be gone as well. So my hair pack is done. I like to keep the hair pack in my hair for 2 hours. If you want, you can keep it for overnight and wash it next day. I hope you all like the video. If you do so, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.